Ever tried holding in a sneeze? You might be risking more than just a loud achoo! Sneezing is your body's way of forcefully ejecting irritants from your nose at speeds up to 160 kilometers per hour. Now imagine blocking that power. When you hold in a sneeze, all that pressure has nowhere to go. Instead of flying out, it can bounce back, possibly damaging your ears, sinuses, or even rupturing blood vessels in your eyes or brain. So next time you feel one coming, just let it out, loud and proud. Want more weird facts like this? Then smash that like button and subscribe. If you've ever sneezed louder than your neighbor's karaoke session, now here's the video. Oh, and fun fact, the world record for the longest sneezing spree, 978 days. Bless you forever.